used to be here, so step out and put the sun. Like you in history, not this, just good it, got it, justice, 7つだわ、romantic gimmick. Come on, 道へキャッシュバス、つまらしける round big dance. Step down, crew tech crash. 今の常識のスワットここどれも心のソウルグリグリ大地が揺れる突き突き突きケツが痛うベルベルベル大気が揺れるその裏のソウル Free the free the free the freezer How I got so You don't wanna pass on Free the free the free the freezer One me and I wanna love me
Hey guys, Arts Master Brian here. Package is here. I'm going to unbox it. This will be a figure unboxing. I told you guys this would be coming later this week. Well, it actually came yesterday, but I was too busy. So, I'm just going to have to wait till today. Another Vegetto. So let's get to what you guys are most concerned about, which is the actual review of the figure. So we're going to start with Super Saiyan Vegetto. So this will be Vegetto's review. After I'm done unboxing this and putting it in the display case, I'm going to start another video for Gohan. I will have an annotation in the video, so if you want to check that out, please go ahead and check that out. I try to do this a little bit faster than last time, if possible. Here he is, Vegetto. Unlike last time when I completely destroyed the box, be careful this time. Just go carefully. Just cut the tape off. There we go. So it slides out here like this, and you got your instructions here. I didn't need them last time. I don't know if I will this time or not. Oh, here he is. I believe it's just like this. Yeah. So here we go. Oh. Take this off. I think I actually have to take his arms off to get that off. No, I just have to lift them up. His arms actually come off. They should not. Son of a gun. I'm having trouble getting this plastic out of here. I've got to be doing something wrong. There we go. Okay, so here he is. Non-Super Saiyan Vegetto. See if I can get him to stand. Okay, there we go. Wow, he's a lot harder to stand, I think, than the other ones. Maybe his body's off. There we go. So there he is. There's his face. There's the back of him. Let's look at the articulation. Hands move up and down. He's got a joint here. He's got a rotating joint in the fist. That'll be important. These come down if you need to move them around. He twists at the waist 360 degrees. Let's see. Full articulation here. Articulation at the knees. I think. Oh boy. Okay, yeah, articulation at the knees. Articulation on his toes, both sides. Head doesn't have much movement on this one this time. Let's see if I can just, how do I do this? Okay, I'm going to look at my instructions so I don't break them. Where is my instructions? Here we go. Okay, it should just come right off of here. Should be on a ball peg. Oh yeah. Oh no, he's headless. There we go. Let's turn him Super Saiyan. Now let's see which one pose I want to do is that one. So, pretty sure it's this face. Oh. How's this go? Oh, there we go. So to put this in, you just see those two holes? This has two pegs. Go ahead and slide it right in there. Push down, semi-gently, I would say. Seems like it's going on. There we go. So there's his head. Yeah. Yeah, and this does not have the movement in his head like the other one. The movement is down here in the neck. But let's go ahead and snap that on there. Oh goodness, that did not work at all. Let's try this again. You know what? I'm gonna do this differently. I have trouble with this. Oh no. Well, yeah, it should be a lot easier. Go ahead and put that on in there. There we go. So there is Vegetto. And it comes with a lot of different faces. This is the one I'm going to be using now. It comes with a screaming face if I so choose. Super Saiyan. Go ahead and take this off here. You know what? I don't think it does. Yeah, it does. It definitely pretty sure it's the same type of thing. Yeah, you definitely can do it now. Huh. Whatever. So there's Vegetto. This is ridiculously awesome. Okay, clearly not that hand. I have to have a different hand here to do this. Thinking it's this one. Oh boy. Well, there's all the pieces now. This one. No, it's not that one. Which hand is it? This one? No. This one, maybe. I'm trying to figure out which hand it is that I need. It's got to be this one. Okay, I cannot figure this out. Oh my gosh. There we go. Yeah, this is one. Okay, so to do this, it's this hand. It gets snuck onto here. This has to go onto here somehow. That's the only way it can go. really how it goes on? What the hell just happened? It just went in. Oh my gosh, it went in. Nice. Don't know what I had to do to get it in, but it just went in finally. Yeah, that looks good. And this is how it's going to be going into my display case, actually. I'll put these pieces back together so I don't lose anything too. I'm gonna give this a grade. If I had to review this, I'd give it like a 7 out of 10. He's not that sturdy. He has good articulation, but it's definitely troublesome with some of the issues. He just is not that sturdy. I'm trying to show you guys what I mean. He just, yeah. But at least posing-wise, he looks good. So this is how he's going in my case. Let me go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you what the case looks like. Oh boy. So this is the display case now. I'd say it looks pretty neat. This is what I have so far. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you click the button right here, it'll link you to my last video. Also, if you do not have me followed at Twitter, click the button that's right here. You can circle me at Google+. Also, I have a new Facebook page for the channel, so you can click the button that's right here, and it'll link you to that. If you like my video, thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, just click the button that's right here, guys. It's as simple as that. And thanks for watching, YouTube. We'll talk to you later. Bye.